Hi, my name's Chris and we're looking at Tune a Day original series for flute. We're on lesson 6 and this is Upidee, which is in F major. We've got one flat B in the key signature and this will continue through the whole piece. Today I'm going to play the pupil part in this video, the top line pupil part, and then in the next video I'll play the bottom line, so you can accompany either one, you can play either part. Okay, let's have a go. We're going to count 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you managed to play along. In the next video is the second part, which you can play the top line while I play the second line. See you in the next one. Bye for now.